In this video, we're going to show you how to set up your new Garmin Descent MK3 series dive computer watch. First, we recommend charging your watch for 2 hours before heading out to dive. Now, press the light button on the top left to power on your watch. Use the up and down buttons on the left side of the watch to scroll through the language options. Then press the Start/Stop button on the upper right to select your language. Next, we'll pair your compatible smartphone with your watch. Select the check mark to begin. Using your smartphone's camera, scan the QR code. If you already have the Garmin Dive application on your smartphone, scanning this barcode will direct you to the device search screen. For new customers, scanning the code will direct you to install the Garmin Dive application. Once the download is complete, open the Garmin Dive app. If you have already set up the Garmin Connect app, the Dive app will recognize your account and you can select Continue. Otherwise, select Sign In or create a new account. Then agree to the terms and conditions. If this is the first time using the Garmin Dive app, you'll need to set up your dive logs. Once prompted, select Connect a Garmin device to connect the app with your watch. Then scan the QR code displayed on your watch. Now, select Connect it. Your watch will automatically associate the code displayed on the watch in the Garmin Dive application. Then select Pair. Now, follow the on-screen prompts to set up your user preferences. To complete the app setup, select Finish Now. Back on the watch, select an alternate time zone. This will be displayed on the main watch face. Select the check mark. Then select the region, followed by the country or city. To finish setup, read through the watch terms and conditions, then press down to accept. Now that your watch and smartphone are paired, your watch will display the watch face with the date and time. The blue arrow indicates the second time zone. And that's it. Your Garmin Descent MK3 series watch is now set up. To learn more about your Descent MK3 dive computer watch, please watch our other videos or visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.